Why Java is best script. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and for good reason. In this video, we'll be discussing why Java is the best programming language out there. A shot of a Java developer typing on a keyboard. Voiceover. Java is an object-oriented programming language that was first released in 1995. Since then, it has become the go-to language for developing enterprise-level applications. A shot of a Java program being compiled. One of the main benefits of Java is its cross-platform compatibility. Java programs can run on any operating system, making it easy for developers to write code once and deploy it everywhere. A Java application running on different operating systems. Additionally, Java is known for its high performance and scalability. This is because Java code is compiled into bytecode, which can then be executed on any machine that has a Java Virtual Machine (JVM) installed. A shot of a Java developer discussing the benefits of the language. Developer. Java is great because it allows us to write code that can be easily maintained and updated. We can also easily reuse code in our projects, which saves us time and helps us to develop faster. Another benefit of Java is its vast library of pre-built components and frameworks. This allows developers to quickly build complex applications without having to write all of the code from scratch. Java is also known for its security features. Its built-in security manager ensures that code is executed in a safe and secure environment, making it a popular choice for developing applications that handle sensitive data. Finally, Java has a large and supportive community. There are countless resources available online, including forums, tutorials, and open-source projects, which makes it easy for developers to get help when they need it. Java is the best programming language out there for a variety of reasons, including its cross-platform compatibility, high performance, scalability, pre-built components, security features, and supportive community. If you're thinking about learning a new programming language, Java is definitely a great choice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.